On today's body cam, we're checking out. She went wild the second she realized cops were inside her house.
Open the door, we're gonna take it down. Tell her if she doesn't open the door, we're gonna have to take it down.
Para chequear que usted esté bien. ¿Usted está bien, señora? No, yo estoy mal. Dos veces que había una discusión.
Mo has the sound, but let me.
You're not allowed to go in the fucking house. Get the fuck out of this house.
Hold on a second.
Get the fuck out of this house.
We gotta make sure everything is safe.
Get the fuck out of this house right now. Get the fuck out of this house. Get out of the house. Goodbye. 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 No. Mami, tú eres la idiota para que la dejaste entrar. What are you looking for?
Okay.
For what? For what?
So we got calls that there was guys here trying to break in. No.
Yeah, there is. Right?
Ma'am.
Oh my God, look at that.
Okay.
All right, get the fuck out of my house. Get the fuck out of my house right now. Get the fuck out of my house.
Ma'am, I'm gonna ask
I don't care.
I'm gonna ask
get
you.
the fuck out of my house. No, I'm not.
We're just
what the fuck are you doing here?
Let us explain.
Get the fuck, idiota. Get the fuck out of my house.
Let us explain to you.
No,
here.
I know you. Get the fuck out of my house right now. Goodbye.
Not leaving it until we.
You're doing nothing. You're doing nothing in this fucking house. You have a lot of things to do. Go work. No, go do what you need to do. Go do football shit. Go do what you need to do. Get the fuck out of this house. No, get the fuck out of my house. No.
Why are you doing that?
Cause you guys, what are you guys doing here?
We were let in. So
No. She's a dumbass bitch. She doesn't know what she's doing.
All right, can you
get out of my house? Get out of my house. I'm not talking to you.
The way you're.
Your mom is a dumbass. Beep. Wow. The respect that you have for your people, man. Damn, she is unhinged.
Acting is something definitely happened.
Okay, so look for it.
No, I'm not.
Look for it so I can sue all you motherfuckers. You do it.
We're not doing
you know
anything
what?
wrong.
Look for it. Look for it. Before I can, no, actually, you're not going in my house.
We have to check.
Look,
Man.
I don't care.
Is there somebody in there or no?
No.
Okay.
Don't worry, Mom.
Come on now. Now let me push a cop. Let me do what she just did, man. Why? Is it because I don't look like her or something? What? Let me do what she just did. And let's see how fast them handcuffs come on, man. This is insane.
No, actually, you're not going in my house.
We have to check.
Look,
Man.
I don't care.
Is there somebody in there or no?
No.
Okay.
Don't worry, Mom.
Did you have anything to drink today?
You're not allowed in my house.
Ma'am, take your hands off the officer. Take your hands off the officer. You're not touching us. You'll be under arrest for touching an officer. That's it. All right,
Okay.
Turn around.
For what? For being in my house? You shit.
Man, stop resisting.
No.
Just stop resisting.
No, you guys
You're gonna get arrested. Put her on the floor.
I got her in cuffs.
You're not in no cuffs. Yo, get her down. You got her already?
Yes.
You. Yeah. I will.
Able.
Step on me, okay?
Able.
Step on me again.
You kicked her.
Yeah, she did.
You
No,
kicked
she
her.
stepped on me. No.
She didn't step on
me. Yes,
Now,
she
ma'am,
did.
look,
Yes,
listen,
she did.
breathe.
Damn, see? Now this title gonna have something spicy Latina in it, man. I'm thinking of the title as we going along. It's gonna have something spicy Latina, man. I'm glad that one officer finally stepped in, though. You know what I mean? Because damn, that would have been the second time. The first time, the other dude just she mushed him, and he was just like, oh, okay, like damn, bruh. You not gonna do nothing about that? You just gonna let? Why? Cause she a spicy Latina? Nah, it's equal opportunity around here. Get you together, man. You don't want to act right? Okay.
We're gonna help you. We are going to help you get on your feet. 1, 2, 3.
I'm not helping you, you dumbass bitch. You stupid.
We respect your time, so we remove the small talk. Subscribe to Crime Scrutiny for fast, no-nonsense body cam.
We'll worry about it later. Let's go.
Mommy! Please.
No, she's under arrest.
Why you open the door, you dumb bitch? Why you told her to open the door? Stop! You did! No! You just listen to me. No! You have to listen to me.
Arrest right now, ma'am.
Can you consult her mom? Her mom is. Wait. Can you just.
She put her hands on officer.
What door? They're in my house. Okay, can you guys stop, please?
She's not responding.
Can you just listen? No,
man.
Oh, that must be. Oh, so who opened the door was grandma then? That's mom.
No,
She's under arrest right now.
Man, right now, you're impeding our run. You're going to be under arrest too. You stay in our way.
Can you just cooperate? Lady, stop. No, I'm not.
No, she wants to get dragged on the floor. Drag her on the floor.
Wait, let me get her.
Drag me on the floor, baby. Lady, stop. Okay. You guys have to come out, but you guys are
Just watch
going to
it,
just make me worse. Just stop.
Stop kicking, ma'am.
Lady, stop. Oh, look at me, man. That's what you do, right? That's all you do. Can you just stop being aggressive?
You need to back.
Baby, stop.
You're impeding with our arrest. She's under arrest already. That's it. Okay, that's it.
Why am I under arrest? Why am I under arrest? Okay. Why am I under arrest? Why am I under arrest?
Putting her now.
Reasons. What happened?
Nah, let me stop. But yo, this is insane, and the mother doesn't make it no better, man. Gotta love your New York spicy Latina.
It didn't have to be like that. Your mom didn't have to be like that.
Leave me alone. You're arresting me in my house for what reason? Come on.
Where? My driver short back like that.
Makes for great entertainment.
I'm driving.
Boss, I've got people who's standing up. I want you.
We don't want to drag you. I'm trying to work with you.
No, who's working with who? You've been doing this all the time. You got me from my house from doing
Did you walk? Did you cooperate?
walked, no.
No, you didn't. Exactly, you didn't.
What reason? What reason? I'm in my house.
We're not doing this. We're not
Doing
doing
what?
this. Let's go.
I'm in my house
Let's
doing
go.
what? What the f*** are you arrested for?
You're dragging me out of nowhere, and you're not coming.
We don't want to drag you, but you.
How are you not? How are you not?
You can either stand up, get up. I got it from here.
And cooperate with us. But if you don't, you're gonna get arrested no matter what. You're already under arrest.
Didn't I fuck you?
No.
Didn't? Yes, I did. Oh.
I don't even know your name.
Wait. Why are you going up out of nowhere? Why don't you call him?
Call who?
Yo, you're such a liar. Nigga, you're gonna get fired. You know that, right?
I'm not trying to get you
Yeah,
fired.
you're gonna get. No, who is? Why would I get fired? Nigga, you're gonna get fired. How am I assaulting you? You came to my house.
Damn, my boy said, well, you wasn't memorable. Shit. Oh my God. She said, did not? What? Did we hook up? He said, I don't even know. You wasn't memorable. Oh, man. You didn't leave an impression on this brother, man. Damn, son. Yo. Listen, I get it. He young. He getting to the money. You know what I'm saying? He out and about. She probably has a good, clearly he left an impression, but she didn't even leave an impression on him, man. He just fly by night. You know what I'm saying? Here today, gone tomorrow. See you back.
You guys don't understand. Yesterday, I just got my $3,000 in my purse. My Louis Vuitton purse got stolen.
Really? I didn't, ma'am, you didn't tell us any of this stuff before.
You guys are always trying to fuck me
And ma'am,
over.
we're here. No, we're not. Honestly, it's not it at all. We're here trying to talk to you.
I don't do drugs. I don't do anything. I have nothing wrong.
The only thing
what
I don't
the f*** are you coming to me for?
Ma'am, from all the day you did, my blood is literally on your sweater all over. And
That's your problem.
because you weren't.
You're trying to f***ing grab me from my house. I live all the way up there. You're trying to grab me for what
Ma'am,
reason?
so do you
For
wanna
what
hear-
reason?
are you gonna
Okay,
listen?
yes, for what reason?
So we got a call. There was multiple guys trying to break into your place. So
So why are you arresting me?
okay.
Do I look like a f***ing
Do
guy?
you want the answer?
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm trying to tell it to you nicely so you understand.
How?
So when we went in there, standard protocol, we have to check the rooms to make sure the guy isn't hiding out there, right? When we did that,
That
you
was
came
probably
out.
stuff on.
And-
Fucking Ava's father
and-
trying to get her kid.
and you could've-
We have nothing to do with anything.
See, you could have told us that. Ma'am, let's go. All right, just put her in like that.
I don't want her to touch me.
Ileni was arrested on charges including 3 counts of aggravated assault and obstruction of law enforcement. However, court records confirming the final disposition of the case is not publicly available.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide. Crazy as footage on a midnight ride. Bounce to the rhythm. Let the bass line hit.